today finally we are taking the Miata and the engine to the workshop to make the swap. Enjoy watching. So first thing to do is to change the oil sump. This is my old oil sump and this is the new one. As you can see, it's a bit different shape. This one would collide with
steering rack.
Yeah, with the steering rack, and this one wouldn't. So there's a gearbox. At the moment we got rid of the front piece right here, and we are making some more space for the engine here. So we're cutting all these bits out, then we're gonna cut all of this out. So it wouldn't go in with the gearbox on, so we need to take the gearbox out and then try without the gearbox. Okay, and that's it for the video. The next step is to weld and secure everything that we cut out. Darek will do this for next couple days, and then filming next video I'm gonna go there again, and we are going to make an engine mount and try to make the engine in its final position inside the body. And then there's lots of little things that we're gonna do on the side. It's a good feeling to see the engine and the car, you know, as a one piece together, even though it's just on the jack. But the car has been standing for a couple months in the engine, and I kind of lost excitement for this whole swap. But now seeing it all together really makes me motivated to keep working on it. Big up from Darek from Ron Customs, who agreed to make this swap happen. He's responsible to build a lot of Polish drift cars as well, so it's worth to check him out. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.